The Macon Sawdust team are putting together a classic for this DIY, and you can too. It's a noodleboard or stove cover. Traditionally, a noodleboard was used to give a chef extra space to make pasta, hence the name. Nowadays, noodleboards are really only used as stove covers for gas or electric stoves, not meant to be a chopping board. Use a chopping board to chop on. And to start, some pallet wood pieces cleaned up. Often inexpensive, it's solid wood. Just make sure to clean it up well, removing nails, sanding it down, making sure it's well planed and level. And phase 1 to create the largest piece, the backing for the whole thing. So those sliced up pieces are connected, clamped together, glued, and then a few grooves are routed in. And then it's on to work for the trim pieces. And for that, another piece of wood needs to be carved up. Now, to slice it, run over the table saw a few times to get the pieces needed. And some lovely grooved edges, allowing them to lay right over either side. A nice clean look, that lovely natural wood finish. But there's more to come, a lovely accent of color for the handles. First to clean up all those edges, then time to pre-drill the different sections that'll be used for the handles. 2 pieces either side to hold down some twine. Carefully cut out on the bandsaw. And that red wood accent is going to look fantastic on this noodleboard. Now fixed into place, and a little glue laid down. Each piece clamped down. And how cool is that going to look? Holes now pre-drilled, and some dowels locking those little brackets into place. Can't forget to give everything a protective coat. And now a close-up look at the amazing details in this awesome DIY. Easy to make, a great rustic piece, and it's practical and useful as well. Make your own noodleboard.